30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 given. And the frequency given are 5, 3, F. This is unknown. This is value of F you have to find. 7, 2, 6, and 30. This is 30. Question is asking you to find the value of F, whereas the mean is given 52. Okay, now see the answer how we are doing. Solution. We will change this information into tabular, table with columns. That class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, the last value. And frequency, I added frequency, whatever the mentioned that we can denote by capital F. Here write 5, 3, F, 7, 2, 6, 30. Okay. They have not mentioned the name of the method, which method we have to use and calculate F naught. We can use any one of the methods. So I will show you two methods and you see which one you find easier. I will find mid value first. For any mean question, we must find mid value. 10, 20, mid value will come 15. Adding the two, divided by 2. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2, the answer is 15. I will add that. Now the difference, how much is going on? 20, 30, the difference of 10, 10 going on. I will keep maintaining the distance of 10, 10. That is 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and last value 75. Mid value will be x. Suppose most of the students they follow the direct method. Means fx they will do fx. Multiply this and this multiply. That is 75 direct method. This into this is coming 75 again. This into this will come 35f. 7 into this 75 the 35. 7 4 is 28 plus 3 31. This into this will come 110. 6 into this I multiply. 6 5 the 30. 6 is the 36. 39. 13 5 the 65 carry 6. 37 the 78 plus 6. 84. Then this is coming. So I find the value summation fx. This is unlike term. Don't include this. Then add this thing. This. Add. 5 5 10. 20 0 carry 2. 2 4 6 9 15 16 17 7 24 plus 7 31 carry 3 11 3 14 15 3 18 plus 35f. This is the value of summation fx. This way I find summation f naught. Summation f 5 plus 3 8. This one is unlike term, we cannot add. 5 plus 3 8 plus 7 15 plus 2 17 plus 6 33 33 plus 3 46 is coming, right? 46 plus f. Now I'll apply the formula of mean. Mean by direct method formula is summation fx by summation f. Mean value is given 52, I'll add another 52 and get that. Summation fx value is this much, 1810 plus 35f by summation f value is this much, 46 plus f. 46 plus f. Now I will do cross multiply, this into this into this. 52 into 46 multiply, check what is the answer coming. 52 and 46 we are multiplying. Check how much answer do you get. 6 to the 12, carry 1, 31, 2392. I write 2392 plus this into this. 52f is equal to 1810 plus 35f. check are the calculations correct here? Please check once. Okay, I made one mistake here. 13 fives are 65, carry 6, 13 sevens are 91 plus 6, it becomes 975. So there was a mistake in calculation here. I just corrected this part. 5, 5, 10, 20, 0, carry 2, 9, 9, 18, 20, 27, 34, carry 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 16, 19. Please check the calculation as 6 times 30. This will be 35 to 65. Okay. Addition 5 times 20, 0, carry 2, 9, 9, 18, 20, 27, 34, carry 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15, 16, 3, 19. This is coming 19, 40. 52 into 46 will check that on this part. Please check, you can also check the calculation is right or wrong. 5, 3, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 2. 17 plus 6, oh, here is a mistake. This is 36 coming in, 36. Here I write as 36 and here the total is coming 1940. 1940 and no, 52 and 36 will multiply. 52 and 36. So please check once again the calculation. 36 2s are 72 carry 7. 36 5s are 180. And 7 187. 187 2s. Yes, this is fine. Now I'll solve it. 52f minus 35f is equal to 1940 minus 872. I'll subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. 17f. Author will subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. 30 minus 7 is 6. 17 4 times will cut. The value of f is coming 4. The answer. The missing frequency f value is coming 4. Just now you saw. This is the practical situation. That see there is a high chance of making calculation mistake. Big numbers coming. It is. Taking long time, exactly the same thing may happen to you. In my case, the answer was coming. Negative. So that's why I had to recheck all these things. So that is the reason why we don't follow it, this method. Because summation f(x) by summation f, the formula is very small, but the working is difficult. I mean the calculation part, it will take longer time for you to do, and there is a chance of mistake as well. Yeah. So now this is the first method. Usually the students they prefer this method, but I don't prefer, and I suggest my students not to use this method. Now I teach you the another method in a much shorter time. I will do and I will get the correct answer. Same answer I will get. Now I will show how I can do it. So I will be following the step deviation method. Okay. Now just see how we can do it. Exactly the same thing may happen to you during exam, and you will get more nervous. Remember. Your answer may come negative, so negative answer cannot be possible. So, what I will do now, I will change this method and do step deviation method. I write d is equal to x minus a by I. I write this. Just see the problem is so easily solved now. Just see. This time normally we choose one of them as a, but here we will not see the middle one. We will see where the unknown is coming. That we take as a. Unknown comes here f. Here this one I choose as a, that is easier. We will not see this is coming in the middle. And in against a I write 0 and upward minus 1 minus 2. Downward you go 1, 2, 3, 4 till where it goes. We will do that. Where unknown comes In front of that only I let F. Now I will do F into D now. F into D I will do now. FD. Multiply. 5 into this is coming minus 10. 3 into minus 1 is coming minus 3. F zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. 2 twos are 4. Much smaller number coming in. The calculation becomes so fast. 6 plus 6 threes are 18. 13 fours are 52. Okay, now I'll add now summation FD. All positive ones and negative ones will add and subtract. What is the value of positive side here? 8 to 10, 14, 7, 21, carry 2. 5 to 7, 1, 8. 81 is positive, minus 13. The answer becomes 68. Here I get 68. And this summation F value is coming 36%. Now, step division method I followed, so I write the formula here now. Mean formula goes as A plus summation FD by summation F into I. Because I divided by I, so I multiply by I. Mean value is given 52 right there. A means assume, what is the value of A? I have assumed 35. Summation FD value is 68. Summation F value is how much? 36 plus F. I got that value. 36 plus F, and I value is how much? Difference is how much being of 10, 10. Or you can see here also 15, 25, 10 difference. I let 10 here. This will come this side. 52 minus 35 is equal to 68 into 10. It will become 680 by 36 plus F. Subtract, you get 17 is equal to 680 by 36 plus F. 17 1 times 17, 40 times will go. Cross multiply. 36 plus 8 is 40. Therefore, A value is going to be 40 minus 36. The answer is 4. Check. Much shorter time and we are getting the accurate answer. And the calculation also becomes much shorter. So, which method you will adopt? Step division method or the first method? Yes. In front of unknowns, no, where unknowns come in, you take that as A and then you work out. You will get nothing. Sometimes you may have two unknowns. Then still will be following this step division method only. One of the places where unknowns are coming will write A and we will assume A and then we carry on and we get the same answer. Okay. Now I do another question. One more question I will do of this class and we will get to the idea. Yes, Amarnath, which method will you follow? Okay, one here they have given the questions where two unknowns were there. I read that question. Question says marks obtained by, this is question number 39 of the ICC 2012. Marks obtained by 40 students. There are total 40 students, remember 40. In a short assessment is given below where A and B are two missing data. A and B are two missing data. If the mean of the distribution is 7.2, find A and B, and they are given like this. They have written marks and they have written number of students. Marks value they have given in the question is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number of students given are 6, 8, 16, 13 and B. This is given. Okay. And they have given the value of mean. They are saying mean is 7.2 and the number of students given. When two things are unknown, two things will be given 40. There are 40 students altogether. Okay, now how we will do it? We will make a table with columns. Right here marks, number of students, whatever they write, number of students. Marks is given 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is given 6, 8, 16, 13 and Mid value we don't have to do because this itself is the mid value. This only is the value of x. Because there is no class interval. When class interval given, then we go for the mid value. So this itself is the mid value given. So in front there are two unknowns a and b. So in front of any one I choose a. In the mid value only I choose a. This is a. Now I will go for step deviation method. B is equal to x minus a by I. In front of a, what should I get? 0, and here I must set minus 1. Downward I will go with 1, 2, 3 without fail in all cases. Now I make a column of f into d. This is frequency. Number of students is frequency. Multiply this and this multiply, you get minus 6. A zeros are 0. 16 ones are 16. 32s are 26. This into this will come 3b. So I will find the summation of this. Don't add 3b, but 3b is a unlike term. So 26 plus 16 is coming 42. 42 minus 6 will come 36. 36 plus 3b, I'll add that. And sum of all this together directly, that summation of all such students is given 40. I'll add 40 directly here. Don't add individually. Total answer at 40. Now apply the formula of mean. Mean formula is what? A plus summation fd by summation f into I. Mean value is given in the question, how much? 7.2. Write 7.2. A, what is the value of A? I have chosen 6. So write here 6 plus summation FD value is how much? This 36 plus 3B. Summation F is how much? 40. And write the value 40 here into I. Difference is how much going on here? 5, 6, 7, 8, and the difference of 1, 1 is going on. So 1. 7.2 minus 6. 7.2 minus 6, bring this side, you get 36 plus 3b by 40. Subtracting, you get 1.2 is equal to 36 plus 3b by 40. Cross multiply. 40 into this will give us a 48 is equal to 36 plus 3b. 48 minus 36 is equal to 3b. 12 is the value of 3b. 3 4s are therefore b value comes 4. The value of b is coming 4. I value is 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and how much is the difference going on? Interval is how much? 1 no. Difference of 1, 1, 1. Right 1. Yes, it had got disconnected, I suppose. And when I was busy in teaching, I did not realize. When I turned here and then I saw it got disconnected. So that's why I have to send you the link again. Okay. Now, if you tell me that till here you had watched. This time in the question that they have given two unknowns, but two things are given. Mean given and total number of students given 40. We are making table like this. Marks given, number of students given. There is no class number, then this itself is the value of mid value. X 5, 6, 7, 8. Unknown coming here and unknown coming here. At one place I will assume A. At any one place. We will not go by the middle number now. So it will become easier. So I choose one of them as A in the mid value here. A value is 6. So B value we write x minus a. In front of A we write 0 and go up above with the minus and minus 1 till where it goes downward 1, 2, 3 multiply. This into this, A 0 to 0, 16 1 to 16, this into this. And this is unlike terms, just add plus 3b and add this thing and subtract this, answer comes 36. Total of summation number of students given 40, I'll add at 40. Mean formula I use. So mean value is 7.2, given in the question I put that value. A value is how much here? 6, I'll add at 6, and this thing, I value is 1. 5, 6, 7, the difference 1 is going on. Then 6 will come this side. Minus 1.2 into 40, I do 48 minus 36, 12, 3, 4, the B value comes out 4. Now, how to find the value of A? The value of B, let us put back here in this table, summation A. We know the total of all these values are 40. Let us check what should be the value of A. Total must come 40. Let us add 6 plus 16 is how much? 22. 22 plus 13 is 35. 22 plus 13 is 35 plus 4, 39. This one gives the answer 39. How much should be the value of A then? In order to make 41. Therefore, the value of A will write here 40 minus 39. The answer is coming 1. Why 39? Because I added this, I added this, I added this, and I added the B value which should be 4. Add all of this, see the total coming 39. 6 plus 6 is 22, plus 13, 35, plus 4, 39. 1 is left over to make it 40. That means A value comes 1. So we got answer. A is 1 and B is, A is 40 and B is, A is 1 and B is 4. That is answer. Any doubts? And if you do it by the direct method, you will make two equations. They have to solve simultaneously. It becomes very lengthy. So the preferred method is step division method. Okay. So now I will give you the questions of the year. Rather, those who do not have the book, they will follow the years. 2015. In your book, it is question number 42. 2014, question number 41. ICC 2013, question number 40. Then ICC 2009, question number 36. Question number 32 of ICC 2005. This question. And page number 459, question number 22. There are two unknowns, F1 and F2. Okay. So please try this question. By chance, if you don't get any, you'll ask me. Then I will do it, and then tomorrow we will be doing the next topic, that is graphical representation.